Have you ever considered hosting a 31 party with me? Well, I would love to be able to reward you with some free, some half price, hostess only gifts, and even the hostess special. So you're like, what in the world are you talking about? So we can party different ways through 31 to help you earn some free products. So you can party in person if you're local to me. We can party online through Facebook or even like a texting party, which is super fun, and I'm doing a lot of these days. So many ways to party. Even if you want to just take catalog orders, you can, and share your party link with your customers and your guests. So when you party, when you have at least $200 in orders, which is about 4 to 5 average orders, then you start earning hostess rewards at that $200 level. And then the more, of course, that more orders that you have, the more levels that you earn more free products, more half price odd items, and more hostess exclusives. And if you reach that $600 party level, you earn the hostess special. And at that $1,200 level is when the doors really open up, because at that $1,200 level, you earn $250 in free credits, 3 half price items, 3 hostess exclusives for free, and then you earn that hostess special, whatever it is for that month, okay? So I'm going to share with you guys some of the hostess exclusives. So at that $200 level, you earn 1 hostess exclusive. When you bump up to that $500 level, you earn 2 hostess exclusives. And at that $1,200 level, you get 3 hostess exclusives for free, okay? So the first one that I'm gonna share with you guys is the Get Creative Crossbody, okay? This is part of our Get Creative line, and if you have been following me, you know what our Get Creative line is. It's an amazing line to help you stay organized and to help you get creative. So this is the Get Creative Crossbody. This is in charcoal. I personalized mine with the feather embroidery. I did the black feathers and then the rose blush A. It's so beautiful. What this is it can be like a little caddy. You can carry it like this, or you can wear it as a crossbody like this. Of course, I've got it too tight, but you can wear it as a crossbody. It has a clear bottom right here so you can see through it. So this is good for crafters, of course. You can put all of your crafting things in there. For bakers, if you want to keep your, your baking supplies and your cake decorating things together. Great for kids to store their clothes or their baby clothes and things. This also comes with some of our Get Creative line. So this comes with 2 rectangle clear pouches. So I use these when we travel. I put like my travel size bottles in here. If you do acrylic paints fit in here. If you're crafting, or if you are using this for cake decorating things, you could put your color dyes in here. So many uses for these things. Also, actually have one upstairs next to my bed for when we travel. I just yank it out of my nightstand, but it has earbuds in there, charging cords, everything I need to travel. So these are great just to slide in something else. Also great in here. So it comes with 2 of these. It also comes with a cylinder pouch. So this, and it clear on both ends. When I travel, I put my coil up my laptop cord. I put my mouse in here. I also put my little clip-on light if I'm doing any kind of videos. This is also great if you're crafting, if you are sewing or crocheting. You can put your yarn in here, unzip the top like here, unzip it right there, and then leave a little bit open, and then you can just pull out your yarn. So many uses for this thing as well. And then it also comes with a slim pouch. So when I travel, I put pens and highlighters in here. This can also hold like a ton of washi tape if you're a planner. This is fun for if you're traveling. You can also put like your toothpaste and your toothbrush in here to keep things separate. So it comes with all of these little pouches. So this is the Get Creative Crossbody, and I want to double check on my price for $30. So $30 when you host, you can get your hands on this. Or if your party reaches that $1,200 level, you can get it for free. All right, the next item I'm going to share with you guys is the Close to Home serving tray. So you guys are probably aware of our Close to Home line. This is made from our mango wood. The mango wood comes from India. No piece is the same. Every grain of wood, of course, is different. So that's no different here. Every piece of our collection is going to look different. You may have a darker piece, you may have a lighter piece, or you may have a combination. But This is our Get Creative, or not Get Creative, our Close to Home, our Close to Home serving tray. So all of our Close to Home has great detail in our wrought iron pieces on the end, and you can also have it laser etched. So ours says established in 2005, gather together the Carver family. So I have this sitting on our dining room table. This is also great if you need to keep it in your guest bedroom as like a little tray, like a little breakfast bed and breakfast tray. It's great just to put like you could put gather, and then you could put this on your coffee table and just gather all your things, like your husband's wallet, his keys, just you need an extra place to store things. This is great for that. And I have a ton of ideas on my business page as well on Facebook. So this is the what am I saying that? The Close to Home serving tray, and it is, let's see, it is $30, and all of our Hostess exclusives that I'm sharing with you have free personalization. So Hostess exclusives, you can personalize for free, okay? And at the $1,200 level, you'd get this for free. All right, the next thing is something new. This is the all weekend tote, okay? So if you are familiar with our City Park tote, our City Park bag, this is very similar in feel to this. I love how professional this bag looks. So you've got this sleek feel right here, and then you have our faux leather details at the top. I have mine personalized with Wife, Mom, Boss in the signature font in Rose Blush. So this is the exact same personalization that I have on my City Park bag. So I can use this as a set. So this is where your personalization will go. I love the handles right here on here. It just fits perfectly under your shoulder. It does come with a crossbody strap, which you can hook on the ends, on the D-rings there. And then you have, of course, your signature cell phone pocket back here to slide your cell phone in. So if you're traveling, if you're using this as your carry-on bag, you can slide your cell phone back here, and even your ID, because you need your ID like every corner at the airport. So slide that in there, and even your boarding pass as well. So when you open it up, you have a ton of room. Okay, a ton of room, and I'm going to share with you something else that's in here in just a sec. Well, I'll share it with you now. This is on the inside is another Hostess exclusive, but I just wanted to pack it in here so you could see how it fits together. So inside here is the pack and zip trio. So what this is basically like packing cubes. So when you travel, if you don't want your clothes touching the shelves in the hotel room, you can pack them in our travel cubes, and so you can just slide these inside of the drawer, and then just leave it open just like this, and then you can grab your clothes out, and then when you're done, or if you didn't wear the clothes, you can just zip them closed. So I have the trio inside of this all weekend tote. Here's the small one, here's the medium sized one, and then here is the large one. So all three of those fit inside the all weekend tote. So this thing is pretty large, if you can tell, and then you have one big zipper pouch back here, and of course your that is your crossbody strap. So you can actually fit these three packing cubes in here. Even your laptop would fit in here. So for me personally, if I was traveling with this, I would make this kind of like my personal bag. So I'd have my laptop in here. I'd actually probably put my purse in here if I just wanted to carry the two personal items so I didn't have to check a bag. So I put all of my personal things in here, even probably my hanging traveler case with all of my toiletries and things would fit in here as well. And then I would probably pack these in maybe my roller bag, but I just wanted you to see that this could actually pair together. So this is the all weekend tote. It is $50, free personalization. If you get that $1,200 party though, you get it for free. All right, and then like I said, these are the packing cubes. So I actually have mine, all three personalized. And as you can tell, I like the darker tones. That way, if my husband wants to use some of these things, he can. Just for fun purposes on here, I personalized undergarments in black on this one. I personalized tops on this one, and then bottoms on this one. So all of these Hostess exclusives actually come in several different prints. This one comes, of course, in that crushed berry color. This one comes in Sierra Stripe and Gumdrop spots. These come in the Gumdrop spots and that plaid, which I have the plaid over here. I should have pulled it. Let me grab it. This is the plaid. Look how gorgeous that is. So party with me and you can get your hands on these amazing Hostess exclusives. So remember, at that $200 level is when you start earning Hostess rewards, and I help you get to that party level so you can start earning Hostess rewards. Now, it does take a little work on your part because we've got to get your friends, we've got to let them know, we've got to get them excited about your party and placing orders. And of course, we always have every month a brand new customer special, so that helps get some extra orders as well. So I hope you enjoyed seeing these Hostess exclusives in person and how I use them and how I would personalize them. So consider hosting a party with me. I'll link below. That way you can click and register to host a party with me and we can get things going. So I'm excited to help you earn some free and discounted products.